Hi everyone! In this tutorial I am going to help you understand an essential spread symbol feature called Map View. You probably already have a fair idea of what the word stands for, but for those of you who are just starting to navigate the fast-paced world of modern IT technologies, I'll give a brief insight. Map View is a feature that allows users to display geographical locations on a map alongside other content on a website. It provides a clear and easy to understand visual representation of these locations, making it more convenient for users to navigate between them and to understand their spatial relationships. If you are still considering whether you should include the Map View feature when building a new website or add it to the existing platform, here are several reasons why it might be useful for you. The first and the most obvious one is geographic representation. It helps visualize geographic data, allowing users to see the locations of various points of interest, businesses, or other entities on a map, which is of great significance if you work in tourism. Next, let's discuss the spatial relationship we have brought up earlier. Let's say your business revolves around real estate. It will be so much easier for your users to explore each and every property by visualizing the proximity of different points of interest and navigating between them. And finally, Map View also provides context and interactivity to the data being presented, improves navigation, and enhances user experience. Now that you are convinced of Map View's value, let's get to the part where you see how easy it is to add the feature on your web page created with the Spread Simple no-code builder. What makes it uniquely user-friendly and intuitive is that this function is already built in. There is no need to search for additional resources and programs. Let's see how it's done the easiest way. The key element to any map is the list of coordinates. First and foremost, you will need to copy all the geographic coordinates to the location you intend to display on your map and paste them into your database, a dedicated column in Google Sheets. The importance of the coordinates is clear as day, but you might be probably wondering, where do I find this information? Fret not, we've got you covered. Just open a map, for example Google Maps. Enter the address or the name of the object in the search bar and you will see the marker on the map on the necessary spot. All that is left is to right mouse click on it and click on the coordinates to copy them. On the Spread Simple help page, you will find a detailed step-by-step guide explaining the whole procedure. To enable the map view, go to the Content tab in your website editor and switch on the Enable toggle. Next, map your Google Sheet coordinates column in the coordinates. Now we can see our map with the markers on the main page. You can also switch between the list view and the map view. As you know, customization is key, so let's not forget about this important moment when setting up the map view feature. You can choose between several options, including Google Maps and OpenStreetMaps. You will find these by clicking the add-ons icon positioned to the left of the screen. For the first one, you will need to enable and configure Google Maps add-on. The OneStreetMaps add-on is built in, meaning it doesn't require any additional setup, so you can use it right away. To visualize several spots located near each other, you can use clusters, which will give the map a neat look. The look of the marker is customizable as well. It can be a pin, a dot, or even an image. When using your own images, you should follow Spread Simple recommendations regarding size and format to achieve better website performance results. Additionally, you can define how much of the world map is visible on your web page by setting the default zoom level. Simply enter a number from 1 to 19 to this box, with 1 being the lowest level. Plus, with the Map View feature on Spread Simple, you can add coordinates to define the center of your map and set whether visitors will first see the map or the items list. Either way, website users can always switch between these two. Now you can easily explore the possibilities of Map View for your website and see how it can elevate your content. Don't forget to check out our help page for a detailed guide on setting up Map View and maximizing its potential. You will find the link below. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and you won't miss our useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Bye!